Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful luxurious buddy butter with just 2 ingredients. So if you've been following the 2 ingredient series, you would know that this is the 5th video in the series, and this is the turn of mango butter. So if you have been following my progress as a business, then you know that mango butter is one of the butters that we started with, and we were selling a lot of it on Amazon and on our website as well, and on Amazon. So today I'm pairing that with Rosehip seed oil. So this is a very luxurious oil. If you've been focused on using DIY natural products, then I'm sure you've come across Rosehip seed oil. It is a very luxurious oil, and I'm so excited about this pair because the two of them are quite luxurious and two of my favorite ingredients to use. So I just showed you there how I slice the mango butter. So ours comes in chunks. We might be changing that going forward, but we would let you know, of course, as our customers, how we go ahead with updating the presentation of our butters. As you can see, the butter is about to be melted down. That's the procedure, and there you go. So mango butter is one of the most popular butters around the world, used extensively in skincare and hair care, and it pairs very nicely with rosehip seed oil. So rosehip seed oil is actually a luxurious oil, and I'm not just saying that because I sell it, but it is highly luxurious and it's been used for centuries because it's known to contain actually antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. So it contains phenols that possess these wonderful characteristics, and that's why it's been used from the ancient times by people on their skin. So as you can see, this has actually turned the mango butter an orange color. So I'm sure if you saw my post about the upcoming video, I was asking people if they could guess what the combination would be, and I'm sure you probably thought buriti oil because that's a deep orange oil that can turn anything orange, but you probably didn't know that rosehip seed oil did the exact same thing. So we sell the unrefined organic version of it, and this is just very pure, high quality oil, and you can use it on your face. Some people, they buy the 12-ounce size. Actually, that's the only size we sell, and you can add it into your lotion or your face cream, and it goes a long way. You don't even need any expensive product for your face. Rosehip seed oil is used by a lot of people on their face, and it is an oil that doesn't clog pores, so it just works great. So as you can see, I just set aside the oil and just topped up as I went along with the whipping process. So one of the benefits of just whipping up 2 ingredients together is that you just can vary it. You don't actually need a set recipe. You can just melt your butters down and then top up the oils and just go along as the texture that you want evolves. So this is the summertime, so I wanted to have some texture to my butter, but if you want more texture, all you need to do is to make sure to incorporate the oil in lower amounts. But because mango butter is a medium hard textured butter, it has to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you're making an 8-ounce mango butter, you would need an 8-ounce rosehip seed oil. But if you wanted it to be stiff, then you can go ahead and reduce the amount of oil. But I also still wanted it to be pliable, so I used just the 1-to-1 ratio here, and it worked great. This is the final texture that I wanted to stick with, So I stopped topping up oil here, and hence why I decided to go with a 1-to-1 ratio. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm really enjoying the 2 ingredient series here. It's just showing me that there's a wealth of ingredient combinations out there. You don't need to stick to using several butters. You just need a few to get this beautiful textured butter. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.